Riccall is located about 4.5 miles or 7.2 kilometers north of Selby, along the A19 to York. It's Tuesday the 7th of March 2023, and I am approaching the village along the A19. The right turn ahead is signposted Riccall South, and takes you onto Selby Road. This was once part of the old road, before the former railway line was used to create this straight line. I'll take the first entrance into the village. There is another a little further on. The first left is Checker Lane. This is Main Street. The next left is Beach Park Close and is a cul-de-sac. The village is 9 miles or 14.5 kilometers south of York. According to the 2011 census, the parish had a total population of about 2,332. Interestingly, Riccall was historically part of the East Riding of Yorkshire until 1974. The next left is Back Lane. I'll go down there later. Coming up, where that lady is waiting for the bus, is Dunelm Farm Close, a cul-de-sac. Left is Silver Street. Straight on remains Main Street. And right is Station Road. Station Road is a no-through road, but it wasn't always. It used to join King Rudding Lane at the station, as you can see on the old map, but today is cut by the A19. Riccall Railway Station was on the East Coast Main Line. It was opened in 1871, and closed to passengers in 1958 and then closed to goods services in 1964. The station building is now a private dwelling. Coming up on the left is Church Street, opposite is Coppergate, a no-through road. After this the road changes to Kelfield Road. The next left is the Meadows, another no-through road. Coming up on the right is the Crescent, followed by on the left Romans Close, where the wheelie bins are. Both are cul-de-sacs. On the right another cul-de-sac, West Court. I will turn around here. I don't want to go to Kelfield or Cawood, though I am sure they are nice. By the way, this little lane is also called Kelfield Road. That's St. Mary's Church. I'll bear left. The road is also called Silver Street. Back at Main Street. The next right is Chapel Walk, a no-through road. After the post office on the left, is Northfield Lane. Chapel Lane is opposite, both no-through roads. This now becomes York Road. Look at that sky. Isn't it glorious? Coming up on the left is York Road, leading to the Hollies. To the right is Holmes Drive, both are cul-de-sacs. Just ahead York Road joins the A19. This is the other entrance to the village I mentioned earlier. I am here on the new map. You can see that this road used to continue on, and today is broken by the A19. The other end of York Road is still there. To the right is Wheatfields Walk, another cul-de-sac. It's hard to believe now what it must have been like before the bypass was built and opened in October 1987. It must have been quite a busy road through the village. Here we are again, back at the traffic lights. I decided it was best to let the van into Station Road. Perhaps I should have followed him. This is back lane. I mentioned at the beginning I would use it. On the left is Manor Garth, a no-through road. The next right is the cul-de-sac Nova Scotia Way. At the T-junction, right is Church Street. Left is Landing Lane, a no-through road. The next left is the no-through road Hawthorns. I stopped to take a look at the church. Here is a photo I took of St. Mary's from Church Street. The church was locked, as sign of the times I guess. This I shot from the other side of the churchyard, on Silver Street. I am going to head back to the A19, back down roads already mentioned, so I will stay stumm until the end and some more info. The tower you can see in the distance is the modern landmark of Riccall Water Tower. I think it was built in the 1970s. Here is a better look from Google Street View. The tower is owned by Yorkshire Water and has no public access. I am leaving Riccall now. I am sure there are things I have missed. For example, I regret not driving down the old Selby Road for one. I will be back one day as I want to film the old RAF Riccall site, which is down King Rudding Lane and not far away. I have a personal connection to that place. So perhaps I will look at the missed places then. I hope you liked seeing Riccall. I think it's a lovely place. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time. Cheerio.